Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the vacuum brake booster on your 98 Ford F150 4.2 liter, and this can be done for the 97 to 04 model guys. So the first thing you want to do is to disconnect your battery, and then we can go ahead and remove these two 14mm nuts from our master cylinder guys. So now guys, we can go ahead and remove this vacuum line. So just use our needle nose pliers. Okay guys, so now we can go around to the cabin and get up onto the firewall and remove those 4 screws which hold it in guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to use my needle nose to get this cutter pin out. Ready guys. So there we go. We just slide that off guys, and we can just remember how everything goes. So now that's out the way, we can move on to our screws. So okay guys, there are the 4 bolts which we'll have to remove. So let's get that out guys. So okay guys, to remove these bolts, these nuts I should say, we'll need a 13mm socket. So I'm not going to hold y'all up for that process guys, so we're just going to remove these 4 and I'll catch y'all back when I'm done. So okay guys, now we got our mounting bolts all out the way. We can come back to the front here and remove our master cylinder. So make a note here, guys, we got 2 sets of mounting bolts for the master cylinder. So let's go ahead and get that out, guys. So I'll catch you guys when I get all that pulled, guys. So as I mentioned before, guys, you'll have 4 mounting nuts on both, in total 2 on both sides. So let's remove this last one here, guys, and then we can remove our master cylinder. And we also have an electrical connector over here, guys, where we just need to disconnect that. Okay, guys, so that electrical connector was quite a challenge to get out, so I'm just going to see if I can get the booster out without having to worry about that. So you just want to double check at the front of the vehicle, guys, make sure you're not caught up on anything. So, let's see if we can work it out, guys. Okay, guys, after a bit of playing and fighting, we finally got it out, guys, without having to remove our master cylinder plug or damaging anything, guys. So here's our old vacuum brake booster, and it definitely seems like it has done its time, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, guys, so here's our new brake booster, and we got a new gasket and mounting nuts to go with it. So let's go ahead and get that installed, guys. want to make sure this vacuum line here, guys, is at the top left corner. Okay guys, I'm going to just reinstall my gasket here, and then we can get it back in. Okay guys, you want to have your vacuum nipple sitting at the top there. So we just double check at the front, guys, make sure we're not hitting on anything. Okay guys, so now we can go back to the front and get our mounting nuts back on. I won't bug you with that process, guys. I'll go ahead and get that done and then we come back to the front. So okay guys, we can now go ahead and reinstall our master cylinder, and then we can just get that bolted down, guys. And we can just go ahead and connect our vacuum line back onto here, guys. So I'll catch y'all when I get everything tightened down, guys. Okay guys, so we'll just go ahead now and get our clamp back onto our vacuum hose, and then we can just go out to the front and get our clip back onto our pedal and our brake sensor connected, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see y'all on the next one, guys. Thank you.